Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to delete emails in Gmail. Why would you want to know how to delete emails in Gmail? Well, maybe it is your first time using Gmail and not sure how to delete emails in Gmail. So today I am going to show you how to delete emails in Gmail. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting emails in Gmail is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Gmail. Now you are seeing multiple emails. If you are willing to delete an email, long press on that email. Now you are seeing delete button. Click on it. The email has been deleted. You can delete multiple email in bulk by doing that. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete emails in Gmail, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.